Sharma, and today I'm going to talk about why these early and child-friendly parks are important. It's very important in a way that it's, for example, we all know that urbanization is at its peak, and everybody is always talking about making buildings, smart cities, etc. But we are not very much concerned about what is happening as a community and at locality level. So this is our concern, and that's why we have initiated this project called elderly and child-friendly club parks. And why this is important, because today's life everybody is connected online with every kind of friends, family, everybody, nationally, internationally, but we all are alone offline. We don't have such connectivity offline, and this is need to be taken care, because if we are not connected offline, then it is something which needs to be taken care. Why? Because for example, this is something related with know your neighbor project, which is our another separate project. So neighborhood here, what I want to mention is that the neighborhood is very important aspect, and once you are knowing your neighbor, they are the one who is going to help you out in any kind of adverse situations and conditions. Either it's earthquake, either it's some medical situation, some heart attack, etc. had come up, or any kind of disaster. So they are the one who is going to help you out for the first. So and that's why it's very important to know your neighbor. So, and there are other beneficial benefit of know your neighbor is there, which of course we all know. So now I'll talk about the values of what are the this child friendly and elderly friendly parks are going to give value to our society or community. Is that once we have a place called elderly and child friendly parks, people can spend time more offline, and then they will start connected with their neighbors, and and this is something which we very which we require a lot. And of course it's going to give a lot of value add on, give value addition to our society and community, when kids will be well connected with their elderly people, and they'll be they learn a lot of very important thing while playing around with them in child-friendly, elderly-friendly parks. So such places are very important in this urbanization places. This is one aspect. The other thing is that when the people are connected, well connected, this is something which we are losing these days. People are staying in a nuclear family, and values of dada, dadi, uncle, aunt is all going away. So to bring back is very important, and